Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy M31. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box here under the instructions and under the phone, and here it is. So just fold it like this to remove the pin, and yeah, otherwise if you don't have the pin you could use of course also the edge of a paper clip. And if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. And this is the SIM tray, and what is very nice, we have the opportunity to put two SIM cards if we want next to a micro SD card. But let us start with the first SIM card. You will put it here in that position. That's the slot for the first SIM card. So missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below. And if you want, you can add a second SIM card on that position. Also here, missing corner on missing corner. And the contacts are below as well. And also if you want, you can extend the internal storage with the micro SD card here. So it has to look like this then at the end. You can use the micro SD card, by the way, also with just one SIM card, of course. Okay, and after you can put your construction back into the phone, like this. So shake a bit if it's working. So that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yo, maybe the next time. Ciao.